Hello and welcome everyone. I am Dipali Khetrapal, an NLP practitioner. I'm here to discuss with you certain core values which may seem small but play an important role in achieving success in life. Do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss upcoming episodes. So, we will be discussing the meaning of these values through various examples, followed by how we can imbibe these values and make them a part of our life. So today, we discuss about the value commitment. So what is commitment? Commitment means being prepared to give a lot of your time and attention to something because you believe it is right or important. Commitment can be a promise to do or give something as small as you promise to help your younger brother or sister in studies. So commitment is a promise to be loyal to someone or something. Example, so you have a friend. So you stick to your friend, कोई कुछ भी बोले, you will not give up your friendship. And you will not say anything bad about your friend, nor will you listen to anybody else saying bad about your friend. Another example, we are proud of being an Indian, and we will never say anything bad about our country to people of other countries, and we cannot tolerate if someone says something bad about India. Commitment is the attitude of someone who works very hard to do or support something, like saying no to plastics. We know plastics are causing great harm, so doing your part by not using plastic bags and encouraging others also to use cloth bags and avoid plastics to prevent further harm to our environment. Commitment is a promise or a firm decision to do something. Example, you see players are committed to playing. They do not give up in between. They go on long tours and do not meet their families for months. Even if something bad happens, sometimes they cannot visit their families. So commitment is a willingness to give your time and energy to a job, activity or something that you truly believe in. Now we know what commitment is. So commitment को पूरा करने के लिए what are the important and necessary steps? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना कि हमने commitment तो कर दी but पूरा नहीं कर पाए. So here are a few steps we can follow. The first step is believe in yourself. So you have to believe in yourself before others start believing in you. Whatever you want to achieve, make sure that you believe in it and trust your abilities to accomplish it. Sometimes in the heat of the moment, what happens is sometimes you are very excited about some project and in the heat of the moment, you agree to commit yourself to doing something. But after, when that moment has passed and when the actual time comes कि अब ये करना है, you start doubting yourself. आपको लगेगा कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ? Can I do this? ऐसे ही मैंने कमिटमेंट कर तो दी है पता नहीं बट योर मोटो शुड बी आई कैन डू इट. सो व्हाट शुड बी नेक्स्ट स्टेप? द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टेक एक्शन एवरी डे. व्हेन यू कमिट टू डूइंग समथिंग, नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज प्लानिंग, मेकिंग एन एक्शन प्लान कि कैसे उसको अचीव करना है. वेदर योर गोल्स आर बिग और स्मॉल, यू नीड टू टेक एक्शन एवरी डे टू अचीव देम. योर प्लानिंग शुड बी रियलिस्टिक. Don't set impossible goals which you cannot achieve. For example, make a commitment to yourself like I want to come first in class. अब आपने क्या किया? You make a timetable for yourself, right? And उसमें आपने लिख लिया कि I will do 3, 4, 5 subjects in one day, one chapter of each subject. So is it possible? No. You cannot do so much of work in one day. So what will happen? When you're not able to achieve your goal of that day, you will start feeling frustrated. So it's always better to set achievable goals. जो आपको लगे कि आप एक दिन में कर सकते हैं. आपने 3 सब्जेक्ट्स ले लिए, 2 सब्जेक्ट्स ले लिए, आपने एक चैप्टर उसका कमिट किया कि आई विल लर्न 1 चैप्टर डेली ऑफ 3 सब्जेक्ट्स. दैट इज अचीवेबल. व्हेन यू अचीव योर गोल यू फील वेरी हैप्पी. सो टेक एक्शन एवरी डे. नाउ व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट? फॉर नेक्स्ट, बी फ्लेक्सिबल and keep an open mind. So you have to be ready to adapt yourself according to situations. If something is not working according to your plan, then let it be. Take a break and then get back to it. Don't stick to a rigid plan. Be flexible. Learn from every person you meet and from every situation. No one can take your knowledge away from you. So, be ready to accept new thoughts and beliefs by keeping an open mind. So what can we do next? You have to maintain a proper work balance. What is the single most important thing in life? It's your health. Yes. Everything in life, directly or indirectly, depends on our physical and mental well-being. So we have to maintain a balance between work and play. We need to learn how to relax our body and mind along with our work. Every aspect is important. If work is important, our mind and body is also very, very important. Last but not the least, never give up. You should never give up on something. Keep trying, keep doing your best till you achieve your goal. Never giving up on yourself is the ultimate mantra to success. You may make mistakes and fail. That's absolutely okay. Nobody is perfect. We learn from our mistakes. Take every step as a learning, as there is no failure, only feedback. So, once you make a commitment and follow these simple steps to honor your commitment, you get a feeling of immense happiness and satisfaction, a great sense of achievement. You evolve as a better person, having fulfilled all your commitments. This is your friend Dipali Khetrapal signing off. Stay tuned, keep smiling. God bless.